finishing room here at Bridge Classic Cars with John, our workshop manager. Now, John, you're going to give us a little bit of an overview of all of the things that have been happening in the workshop this week.
Yeah, well, most of the stuff is just finishing off cars. We've got the Hilux, which had its wheels refurbished. They're now back on its wheels, so that's now ready for the customer to pick up. The MG Midget's now getting the final touches before that goes into, I believe it's going to be a competition at some point.
Brilliant.
The Amiga, we had oil in the water. We finished that off. Hose split, we're now putting new hose on it. That's now ready, final testing. That should be going to the customer soon. And MGC, another one, which little John's just finishing off, so that'll be ready. So it's just a matter of boxing up bits and pieces. A Ferrari Dino over there.
Yes.
That's getting towards the end of its time now.
I think we're going to take a little bit of a closer look at the Ferrari Dino as well. So shall we walk over there and have a look at it now?
Yeah, fine.
And here it is, the Ferrari Dino, the bright colour of sunshine that's in the corner of the workshop today. So John, what's been happening at the moment with it?
Well, it's literally the last couple of weeks it's been putting it back together after it being painted and welded up. And it's now coming down to the final little bits and pieces, finding the bits that we need to replace. Not the easiest things to find, but we're getting there, and now the interior's going in. So hopefully, end of next week, should be on its way back to its customer.
Fantastic, and how long has it actually been with us now?
It must be a good 6 to 8 months.
6 to 8 months, wow.
Yeah.
I remember when it first came in, and it was beautiful yellow, but we repainted the whole thing, didn't we?
Yeah, well, it came in for, I believe, for just a respray.
Yeah.
And once we took it back to bare metal, we then found corrosion.
Right.
So, back in touch with the customer. Do you want us to take the corrosion? So we've attacked all the corrosion, replaced the rotten bits of metal and stuff, and then put it back to paint.
It is beautiful, it really is, and it always turns heads whenever anyone comes and has a little look around the workshop. And so you must be quite happy to see it go.
A bit sad, I suppose.
A bit sad.
Yeah, it's nice to see. It's nice. It's a bit different to what we haven't had one in before, so different shape, nice and bright. So,
but does it always feel really good when it comes in and then you see the problems that it has, they get fixed, and that kind of feeling of, yes, we did that, we completed that, look at that car go out looking smart and smashing.
Yeah, it is. And it's nice, a feeling of accomplishment for everyone who works on it, and everyone does something to it. So, yeah, and hopefully we'll see it again at shows or whenever we do stuff.
Oh yes, definitely. I still remember the day when the SS100 got rolled off the trailer. Everyone went outside to have a look, and it is the same in the workshop. Again, like the Dino, it's just one of those cars that when anyone comes in and sees it, they all get really excited. So what is going on with the SS100 right now?
Well, we've had the front axle back now, all put back together, all the suspension set up. We've done a couple of little tests in it. We had a problem with the head gasket, so we replaced the head gasket. So now it's just a matter of testing it when the weather's nice, do a few miles on it, and then we'll put the bonnet back on, and that'll be ready for when the customer returns later this year.
Wow, so are we going to be looking after it in storage for a little bit? Or
I believe once we're finished, it will go into storage.
Yeah.
And he's due over later on in the year.
Wowee, and this is a Mille Miglia car, isn't it?
It is, yes.
So is it going to be driven this year?
No, this year, I believe the owner, his son's graduating from university.
Right.
So they're not doing it this year.
Not doing it this year. Do you not want to say, oh, I'll go in your place, I can do it? I'll make sure it's fixed on the way round if it breaks.
Wouldn't be a bad idea.
Oh no, thank you so much, John. It's always really good to kind of find out what's happening at the moment in the workshop.
Yeah, that's fine.
As we head over to see Clinton in the fabrication shop, please take a look at our triple live draw and the very lucky winners we had this week. But today it is a triple live draw, which is super duper exciting. So we're not giving you one car, no, we are giving you 2 cars this afternoon, and also a beautiful res pendant we will talk more about in a minute. So we're going to start with the res pendant. Now, for our pendant, there was 2,000 tickets. Okay, so 1 to 2,000. Guys, is that all right?
Yep, that's correct.
Now, this is the competition for the res pendant first, okay? Good luck, everybody. We're going to find our lucky winning number now. I'm going to count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. 603. Number 603. Nearly. Yes! 603. We have a winner. Graham Suttle? Graham Suttle, congratulations, you have just won yourself a beautiful pendant. Now, we're going to go straight on to our next live draws now. Okay, everyone, so this is now the live draw of our Mini Cooper. Good luck, everyone. I'm going to count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Number 1,589. Yes, we do. Eamon Noble. Eamon Noble. Sorry, I can't talk today. Congratulations. You have just won yourself a Mini Cooper.
Hello?
Hello, is that Eamon?
It is, yeah.
Hello, Eamon. It's Molly calling from Bridge Classic Cars.
Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm calling you because, Eamon, we've just done the live draw for our 1998 Mini Cooper, and I'm really excited to tell you that you have just won it.
Well, that's incredible. I certainly wasn't expecting this.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's extraordinary. I thought I'd give it a go, this afternoon, and there you go. It pays off.
Wowee, so you just got your ticket this afternoon?
Yeah.
Wowee, that's amazing. Well, there you go, Eamon. It's paid off because you've just won yourself an absolutely fabulous Mini. Congratulations. But now, okay, it's the moment you've been waiting for. It's time to do the live draw of our Ferrari 400. Good luck, everyone. So this is now the live draw for our 1979 Ferrari 400. Good luck, everyone, if you have got your ticket. I've got my fingers crossed for you. Let's find our winner. Okay, so we're going to count down from 3. 3, 2, 1. Number 4,454. Straight away. It's the same last name as the other one.
Guy?
No.
Independent.
No, this is... Oh, is it the same
It's
guy?
the same guy. He's won the pendant and the Ferrari.
4,454. No way.
Just go back to Google random number generator and double check.
4,454.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then go back to 4,454, Graham
Graham's a lucky
Suttle.
man.
Oh my goodness. And we'll go back to the very top again. Ferrari 400 GT.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's the first time I've had
That
a
is the
double winner.
first time that's... Oh my God.
Well, we didn't call him to tell him he won his pendant, so we'll tell him he's won the Ferrari.
There we go. Oh my gosh, everyone.
Also-
Let's give him a call.
Hello, Graham speaking.
Hello, Graham. It's Molly calling from Bridge Classic Cars.
Really? Oh, wow.
Yes, it is, Graham. And something has just happened in our live draw that's not actually ever happened before. So
Right.
the first draw we did was for our res pendant. And Graham, I'm very excited to tell you that you have won the pendant, but not only the pendant, we have just done the live draw for our Ferrari 400, and you have won our Ferrari 400 as well.
What? Oh, that's amazing.
So,
Oh, that's brilliant.
so there you go. You are extremely lucky today, and we are live on
Gosh.
YouTube right now. And someone has just said, Graham, you need to, wherever you are, run and grab yourself a Euro Millions ticket right now.
God, I can't believe it. That's amazing.
So congratulations, Graham. You are now the owner of a Ferrari 400 and a beautiful res pendant. We are now here in the fabrication shop with Clinton, one of our wonderful technicians. So you have got 2 Aston Martins in here today. So the DB2 here, I believe. So what are you up to with this car?
Yes, this one's had the bonnet repaired. I've had to repair the bonnet, and plus I'm making some other parts of the bodywork. That's like a front pod bit that matches up with the bonnet. So I've had to make 2 of those, plus various panels that are damaged and bent.
I see.
So I'm just working my way through the stuff to repair it. Yeah.
So it was quite damaged then.
This one wasn't too bad, but the other one, the drop head, is really bad.
Right. Okay.
So yeah, there's a lot of work to do there.
I see. So this is the DB2. So the DB6. Is that
Yeah, the
drop head?
Volante. Yeah.
The Volante. So we've not started work too much on it yet.
No.
Okay.
No. But yeah, it's got a few issues with the wings. Wire edging on it has just rotted the wings out, so that's got to have to be redone. Yeah.
I guess that's always the way, isn't it? Once the paint's been taken off, you
Yeah.
actually see the kind of truth of the car underneath.
Yeah, it's real worth. Yeah.
Wowee. So what is next for the DB2?
I'm just at the moment. I'm just working through the parts. Yeah, to get them ready for painting. So
Bit by bit.
bit by bit. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I can't wait to see it when it's done.
Oh well, we can't either.